Hello, this is Purandar Naik. I'm doing a course, faculty development program on ICT learning in IIT Bombex. So on OER submission, Open Education Resource submission, I have copied a link to the IIT Bombex website. That link will be directly connected to the WordPress website. Once you get into the WordPress website, then you can see the URL of OER. So you can access OER here, and I have pasted a URL of Moodle course also. I have designed a course in a Moodle account. Once you click on this link, you'll be getting to the Moodle account. So you can get into the Moodle account through self-registration with your email ID and password. Once you get into the course, you can see the course here in the Moodle account. So here I have designed a course for material science and metallurgy. This consists of two parts. One is the basics of crystal structure, and the second part is consisting of previous lattices. Here in the basic structure, crystal structures, we can see different activities. We have a resource folder, contents of the course, PowerPoint presentation is there, video related to this course is there, LBD activity is there, there is a quiz and you can answer the quizzes, discussion forum is there, you can discuss the things with your peers, then you can give a feedback on the course. Lastly, we have a previous lattice part, and that the description of the parts is there, related video is there, resources folder is there, quiz means LBD activities is there, learning by doing, discussion forum is there, you can follow it, chat forum is there, feedback is there, you can give a feedback, appropriate feedback to this course. So this is what I have designed a course with this. So thank you.